this is a quick demo of the latest updates that we have on Dev for custom domains. So I have an app running and it's showing configure custom domain button. So I'm gonna go ahead and click it, and it's asking for a domain to which I would like to configure custom domain. So I could do something like example.com connect, and then it will ask me to configure this CNAME on my custom domain, and then there is an option to verify it. But since this was just a test and I don't have access to this website, I'm gonna remove this one and gonna add a domain which I own, and I can go ahead and configure based on the CNAME that is mentioned. So this is the domain I have, and this is the setting I need to do. I'm gonna go ahead to the portal. It's a GoDaddy purchase domain, and on its setting and DNS record, I have already went ahead, added a CNAME, which is pointing to lazycustomdomain.net. And since now I have configured it, let's check what we see if I go to the website that I just configured. So if I go over there, it does show me the same web page, the same app which I just configured the custom domain for. And if I go ahead and look at the logs for the app, it does show me even the origin of those requests. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the about page a couple of times more. So I should see a bunch of about pages in the logs. Okay, so it's at the moment it's not secure. So if I go ahead and type https://followedcoder.com, I do see this page that I don't have a secure SSL. So now I'm gonna go ahead and click the button that we were seeing here. It's called verify domain. I'm just gonna open the DevTools to debug in case something goes wrong. So I'm gonna go ahead and verify domain. So this verify domain button is doing a lot of stuff behind the scenes. It's first verifying that the domain is actually redirecting user to the same app which we were just seeing. And another thing it does, it tries to generate SSL certificates so that we can apply HTTPS on the site itself. So it's expected that this endpoint would take around a minute or so. And I can even show, so it did finish around 49 seconds, and it's showing with this color that it's verified domain. So if I go ahead and refresh the page, which was earlier showing HTTPS warning, now it's being shown as verified. And let's check the certificate information. So I'm seeing that this is a domain name. It was issued by Let's Encrypt, and it was issued around a minute ago, and it's valid for 3 months. So by default, whenever you verify a domain, it would create the certificates with validity of 3 months, and then we will have another background job running every day or every week maybe to renew the certificates which are about to expire. I think the limit is like 1 month. So if a certificate is expiring in 1 month, it would auto renew it. So that's pretty much it. So these are the changes we have already on Dev. The pending work is basically infrastructure work. We have to execute a couple of triggers on the prod, and there's one PR which is dependent on those triggers to be merged on prod, and we should be good. So that's pretty much it. Thanks guys for watching. See ya.